This 2017 Jayco Jay Feather X213 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, oven, skylight, awning, refrigerator, air conditioning, leveling jacks, external shower, stovetop burner, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Jayco Jay Feather X213 is 4,215 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.